This video deals with the importation of dynamic simulation results from either TAS, IES, Design Builder or any other package where customized outputs can be created. The existing video we have explains the process if a building is specifically built up in TAS. That's video number 6 in the energy section. This refers to general. So the first thing we would do is start a project as normal using the normal project wizard, selecting item number 2 on the list where we know we're going to import from dynamic simulation software. We select the GBXML file that's been created from that software and import the geometry file, putting our reference in as we go. This then loads the number of floors and the slab to slab heights, so from the geometry we know the various levels and elevations set up. We skip levels and move to the building program. Normally in the building program you would be asked about weather databases, engineering profiles, U values, constructions, glazing. That's no longer required, so the process is somewhat quicker. This then loads the geometry automatically. We then confirm the importation of the geometry. We then align the floor plans. You could export the DXFs from the incumbent DSM CAD systems, but you get a very low level of detail. If you're wanting to route services, it's always best to take the source DWG file, convert to DXF, and use that as your underlay. Selecting each floor plan as we go. Upon completion of importing the floor plans, you then move into the energy program. And then the program invites you to select from the DSM ribbon the simulation method you wish to import. In this case, IES. IES now have a dedicated export where the CSV file is created automatically. You then go and retrieve the CSV file you've exported from IES, run the review, and this populates the spreadsheet with all the information from, in this case, IES. Exactly the same principle is done with TAS, except with TAS you would select the TBD file. So for example, if I want to select the TBD file from TAS, I would browse, I would go and locate the TAS files, pick the equivalent TBD file and load from there. If necessary, you can always revert back to the SIBSI admittance calculations should you wish to do so. But that would entail selecting weather information, structural information and engineering profiles as per the normal route you would take if you're doing our own internal calculations.